So for the first one, find the limit as x approaches infinity. So we're looking for a horizontal asymptote. We look for the largest power, including the sign. And in this case, as x gets bigger and bigger, they get big equally fast. So it'd be negative 16/5. On letter B, and again, these may not be in any particular order, but these should be the problems on your quiz. The leading term is 3x squared, but there's a square root on it. And on the bottom, 8x as x approaches infinity. So I'm looking at the limit as x approaches infinity of 8x on the bottom. And yeah, it's the square root of x squared, but it's also the square root of 3. And then if you simplify, you end up getting something like square root of 3 and then x over 8x. And again, they get equally big. So it's just square root 3 over 8. For letter C, this one's going towards negative infinity. But again, we look at the largest powers. And yeah, the top is bigger, which means it's either going to infinity or negative infinity. But to determine that, you really need to simplify. So 6/12 is 1/2. X to the 6 divided by x to the 2 is x to the 4. And then if you plug in a negative big number, that's going to be a positive result. You're plugging in a negative, not infinity, but a negative super big number is going to be a super big number to the 4th power, which means it's going to infinity, not negative infinity. And then for the last one, what value C will make this a continuous function on all real numbers? Well, your issue is right here at 3. So we want to make sure that at x equals 3, it's connected up. What I mean by connected up, that means this piece has to equal that piece at x equals 3. So we're subbing in 3. And then solving. Well, some of you did this okay, but then the solving got a little interesting. All right, I would put the number in front of the variable. So we have 9c plus 20, or not 9, 27. That should be a cube. 27c plus 24 equals, and then 9 minus 3c. Add 3c to both sides, and we get 30c's equal, and then subtract 24 from both sides, negative 15. Divide by 30. All right, and we end up with c equals negative 1/2.